blood that does not flow, clots. So welcome to the channel. Today, I want to give 10 tips for people who are new to the Sisterlock or Microlocks journey, or for those of you who are considering this journey. Okay, let's dig in. Okay. First and foremost, this is just my personal advice, and as you get to know me a little bit more on the channel, you will see, I don't want to say I'm a maverick, because we should all be thinking outside of the box. We should all be thinking for ourselves. But you might perceive me as a little bit of a maverick if you are new to the Sisterlocks community, simply because, especially Sisterlocks, simply because I tend to advocate and support a philosophy that says you know best about your hair. And while we appreciate everything that Miss Joanne has done for us in terms of putting us on the map in certain respects, and for helping us to recognize the abundance of our hair and the beauty of our diversity, and reclaiming, I was going to say reclamation, and the reclamation of our self-identity as beautiful melanated beings of the African diaspora with so much wealth, diversity, and richness with regard to the way that we may creatively express ourselves through our hair. While I give her her props, the Sisterlock brand in and of itself is not perfect, but neither is anything else. And I highlight those aspects of the journey that I am most familiar with by way of personal experience, and also that I am learned of by way of the beautiful sisters here on the channel who continually share not only their wins and triumphs, but their tragedies, traumas, and catastrophic events. So anyway, let's talk about some of those things. Before we dig into today's content for the video, I did want to take a few moments to share with you one of the many visual successes that the I Am Melanin Magic hair brand is having. The Magical Hair Growth Serum has been very successful in helping people to restore hair in areas that have long been bald or that have been very difficult to remediate. This client, as you will see as you continue to watch, has been using the product for 2 months, and in the 2-month period has experienced some major changes. So we celebrate these changes, and over the next several videos, I'll be able to share with you more and more of the pictures that many of you out there on this beautiful channel, on this blessed channel, have been so gracious and kind to share with me over the last almost 1.5 to 2 years. I'm organizing the files now and really making an effort to show more of the success that the products are having. Now, this is the Magical Hair Growth Serum being used consecutive days, I believe from Wednesday to Saturday or Sunday. And this has been a very hard to treat area for this client. So hopefully you enjoy taking a look at the before and after. We've had various other successes with male patterned hair baldness. Again, the results do vary from person to person. I'm hoping that you will stay tuned for the release of the Magical Hair Growth Serum Accelerator. The group that is participating in the trials, hopefully, I'm giving a shout out to all of you women, will receive your samples within the next 6 weeks. I'm very excited about this particular product because it's entirely different, but hopefully it will be just as effective, or it will pick up where the other serum leaves off. It is definitely worth a try. We're getting some amazing results. I love you guys, and thank you for all your support. The I Am Melanin Magic brand salutes your support. I am Melanin Magic, and so are you. You can purchase your copy of Manifesting Your Masterpiece at Amazon.com or Barnes & Noble today. Get your copy.